गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। कैसे आप सब लोग? मस्त, एकदम मस्त। ओके, आई एम योर गाइड, chemistry lecture, CK sir. In the last video, we are dealing about the colloids. What is the meaning by colloids? What are the preparation methods? Okay, what is the importance of colloid? Now, in this class, we are studying very important concept in the colloids. That is nothing but purification of colloids. Okay, how we can do the purify of colloids? Is there colloids also contain any impurities? Of course. Then what? Okay, normally the colloids are the made part of electrolytes. Okay, the colloids are made up of electrolytes. In the sense, electrolyte is consisting of what? True solution also, which is less than 1 ml. True solution is less than 1 ml. In the sense, again one more time I am defining the colloids. What are the colloids? These are the particles of diameter having a 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. Because before you are going to be starting with the purification of colloids, अगर आपको colloid बोले तो ही मालूम नहीं तो आप आगे पढ़ के वेस्ट हो जाते। ओके, कॉन्सेप्ट पे ग्रिप नहीं आता। ओके, एप्लीकेशन पार्ट पे आपको नजरअंदाज करते हो। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई you first come to know what is the colloid. Okay, why in the colloids, why we have to do the purification? Because when forming the colloids, electrolytes are major part. Okay, when the colloids, जब भी हम colloid prepare करते हैं, electrolytes का क्या है बेटा? That's having the major role in preparation of the colloid particles, because these electrolytes inside these are having true solutions. Okay, separation. Okay, first of all, purification of colloids. Whenever we are talking about the purification of colloids, simple purification nothing but the removing the impurities. Okay, हमारे को जो चाहिए वो हम अलग कर लेते हैं, जो भी हमारे को नहीं चाहिए वो हमको अलग कर देते हैं. That is called the purification. Purification process nothing but the removing the impurities. ना colloid concept, reducing the impurity to requisite medium. In the sense, हमारे को कौन सा रिमूव करना है, हमारे को कौन सा रखना है, that is called purification. Okay, what are the impurities? We are removing that. जो भी प्योर रहता है उसको रखते हैं. Which are this pure here? जो हमारे को काम के आता है. Okay, those are all became the purities. Now see, the first thing in the purification of colloids, we are having some techniques. Okay, in the purification of colloids, we are having some techniques. What are those things? The dialysis is the first one, very important. So what is the meaning of the dialysis? Okay, dialysis in the sense, it is a process in which the separating of a colloid particles from the true solution. Separation of colloidal particle from the true solution by parchment paper. The parchment paper are membrane. This can I can say this is the membrane. Okay, I will take this apparatus and experiment. Very simple. Let's see one by one. देखो, now we are at the first topic. Okay, dialysis. Dialysis क्या है? Simple है सर. colloid को separation करने के लिए एक technique. This is one of a method. Now we are going to be studying. Okay ना? Now देखो बेटा क्या? कुछ भी ना है. First of all, take one simple fast apparatus here. What is this apparatus? This is dialysis. Okay, take one container. Okay, this is container. Okay, in this one we are having one is inlet, one is outlet. Okay, this is inlet, this is outlet. I am taken one parchment bag. Okay, this is a parchment. I am hanging this one. Okay, hang बोले तो मैं इसको ऊपर लगा. Now see what I am going to doing. कौन सा solution को मेरे को purify करना है, कौन सा solution के अंदर colloids and true solutions. In this dialysis, what are the impurities? Impurities in the form. This is very important because हर एक टेक्निक में हर एक impurity दूसरा अलग होने का chances रहता है. Okay, now what are the impurities in this one? सर इसमें impurities कौन सा होने का chances है? Very simple, true solutions. Okay, in in this dialysis, the impurities are true solution. What we want to purify? Colloids. Again, because we are studying the topic itself is colloids, purification of colloids. Now I am definitely going to be doing the purification of colloids. मेरे को क्या करना है बेटा, देखो इधर बहुत सिंपल है. What are these all? Okay, जो भी इधर मेरे colloids दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको मेरे को क्या करना है, सेपरेट करना है. किससे? By the true solution. From the true solution, I wanted to remove these all colloids. Sir, how? Very simple बेटा. देखो first सीधा apparatus. This is the first. This is the water container. इधर in water inlet होता है, outlet होता है. Okay. Next here, I am having one parchment bag. Parchment bag. इधर क्या है? First you understand what is the mean by this bag. Okay. Parchment bag क्या करता है सर? Okay. देखो बेटा, ये parchment bag क्या करता है? These are going to be not allow. These are not allow the colloid particles to go outside. Colloid particle को बाहर देना नहीं. Okay. This work is it's not leave colloid particles to outside. बाहर जाने नहीं देता है. कौन? ये parchment bag. किसको बाहर जाना देता है? True solutions. जो भी ये डॉटेड ये रेड में जो भी डॉटेड है, these are all true solutions. Okay. देखो भी कैसे जाता है. Simple method. First, the fresh water is coming inside. Okay. Fresh water आता है. Now this bag is consisting of what ma? What? Colloid particles plus true solutions. True solution बोले तो less than 1 nanometer. Okay. Less than 1 nanometer. Less than 1 nanometer बोले तो बहुत छोटा. Okay. That's why what happens whenever the fresh water will come, automatic क्या करता है, ये इसके ऊपर प्रेशर डालने को स्टार्ट करता है. Now what happen? थोड़ा सा प्रेशर डालने से होता है. Now what happen? The whatever the inside the true solution particles are there, they are left. Okay, इधर से वो बाहर जाता है. True solution बाहर जाता है because these are having small pores. Okay, जो भी membrane बोलते हैं, इसका surface पे ऐसे membrane रहता है, बहुत छोटा pores रहता है. These pores are through these pores true solution is passing. इसके अंदर से true solution क्या होता है, pass हो जाता है. True solution this is small dots. pass होने से क्या होता है, now only what are left in the parchment bag, only colloid particles. इसमें only colloid particle रहते हैं. दूसरा true solution और going outside. Now how to go here? Water है, fresh water will come in and this is going to be somewhat it's going to be forcing. Okay, जब भी force करता है क्या होता है, whatever the fresh water will come and will go. Okay, follow. Now see one more important. Sir, इधर से इधर जाने का chances रहता है. Okay, now see इधर से कैसा आता है. Okay, you can see here the whatever the fresh water will be there, that is having no any impurities. इसके अंदर impurities नहीं रहते. Okay, only impurities are present at water. Where? In the parchment bag only. इसको ही हमारे को निकालने का काम है. This is called dialysis. Okay, this is called dialysis. Okay, sir, हम जो भी इधर parchment paper or any these are membrane. This is what? This is a parchment paper. Okay, इसको membrane भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, this is used for the filtration purpose. Filter membrane. Okay, filtration करने पर only true solution को बाहर भेजता है. colloid जो भी बड़ा है वो अंदर रहता है. This is about what the dialysis. Okay, that is one of the important. Okay, जो भी इधर membrane है. Okay, I am telling one more thing here. Dialyzer. Okay, the membrane which is used for the purification purpose. Okay, ये जो भी है ये complete क्या है, membrane है. Membrane in the sense this is dialyzer. Okay, which perform the purification process, that is called the dialyzer. Simple. Which perform the purification, that is called dialyzer. Okay, this is about what the dialysis. Okay, now we are dealing about the electrodialysis. Okay, draw this diagram first. We'll get. Let's take 1, 2, 3. Okay, now in the dialysis we have studied about what colloid particles are purified. Okay, by how? By using the water. Okay, through membrane and water. Now, the second one is now the electrodialysis. Sir, what is the electrodialysis? See, the first case this is dialysis somewhat that is slow process. Okay, जो भी purification होने में थोड़ा ज़्यादा time लगता है. That will take more time as compared. Okay, that is more time as compared to the electrodialysis. Sir, why electrodialysis somewhat fast than the dialysis in the sense? See, whenever the electrodialysis are there, in this one, its name only indicates we are introducing here the electrodes. Here the electrodes. Keep in mind, in case of dialysis, we are using impurities as a true solutions. But in case of this one, the impurity will be electrolyte. Electrolyte. Okay. This is having the electrolyte. Impurity will be electrolyte. Normally, you know, the electrolytes is consisting of what? Ions. For example, A plus OH minus. Okay, now this is also because these are having ions, positive and negative ions. See here, what I am going to do in the electrodialysis, I am taking once again the parchment bag. Okay, now I am having two electrodes. Okay, two electrodes. किस कोलाइड्स को मेरे को इलेक्ट्रोलाइट से फ्री करने का है. ओके, कोलाइड्स को प्योर करने का है. कौन सा सॉल्यूशन को मेरे को प्योर करने का है, मैं इसके अंदर डालता हूं. आई एम पुटिंग इनसाइड द व्हाटएवर सॉल्यूशन आई वांटेड टू प्यूरिफाई. ओके, ओवरऑली हम क्या कर रहे हैं बेटा, कोलाइड को प्यूरिफाई कर रहे हैं. ओके, कोलाइड्स विद इन दैट इंप्यूरिटीज आर कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. नाउ सी, वेरी सिंपल. Already you know, I have taken same again one container. This is inlet, this is outlet. Okay, whatever the impurities are there, that is also going same in the dialysis also. जो भी impurity रहता है इधर से बाहर जाता है. Same. अभी इधर में now see in this one, anode nothing but positive or cathode nothing but negative. Now see, this is having the electrolyte with colloids. Colloids में है electrolyte है. देखो बेटा अभी क्या होता है, this is having the positive and negative ions and colloid also present inside. Colloid particles is there. These green dots are colloid particles. Cation anions are nothing but this positive negative, this positive negative, this positive negative. Okay, these are the ions, electrolytes. Electrolytes ions is there. Now, when I am going to be using some potential, okay, what happens? The positive charges are start moving towards the cathode. Okay, जो भी positive रहता है वो cathode की तरफ आता है. Positive ions and negative ions are come towards the anode. Like in this fashion, it is whatever the electrolyte or impurity as electrolyte present is clearing very fast. Okay, इसलिए क्या होता है इधर purification is going to take place very fast as compared to the dialysis. The reason is, sir, इधर oppositely charged electrode है sir, जिसका opposite ion रहता है. अगर इधर negative रहे तो positive इधर आता है, अगर इधर positive रहे तो negative इधर आता है. Nothing but by passing through electrolyte is passing through the membrane because this is purifier. ये colloid को नहीं छोड़ता है बाहर because colloids are having greater than 1 nanometer up to 1000 nanometer. Okay, जो भी इससे भी छोटा है, colloid से भी छोटा साइज में है, वो impurities को बाहर छोड़ता है. That's why water is coming again, fresh waters are coming. जो भी impurities रहता है वो water लेके बाहर जाता है. That's why we are talking about the electrolyte in water. Water से जो भी impurities था बेटा, okay, ion positive negative जो भी ions थे inside वो बाहर जाता है. This is about what the electrodialysis. This is a electrodialysis. Simple, nothing will be there. Same as a dialysis, but we introduce the electrodes in order to make the process very fast. Fast करने के लिए हम क्या करें बेटा, हम electrode को introduce करें. Whatever the purification will be there, purification will take place at a fast because the positive ions are go towards negative, negative ions go towards positive. बोले तो इससे अंदर से बाहर बहुत जल्दी जाता है. Nothing but inside the parchment bag के अंदर जो भी impurities है वो बाहर जल्दी जाता है. Okay, reason is oppositely charged. That's why like that same point the electrodialysis per light. Okay, now this is about the electrodialysis. And one more thing here, whenever we are dealing about the dialysis and so many patients are there. Okay, sir, how the dialysis of the patients are going to be done in a simple manner. See here, we are having a big machine. Okay, machine. That machine is what we will be doing means, जो भी पेशेंट का जो भी impurity of blood रहता है, okay, blood is nothing but inside colloids, okay, blood particles are like colloid particles. जो भी blood के अंदर इसका blood कैसा रहता है, blood plus electrolyte, electrolyte nothing but impurities, impurities रहता है उसके blood में, okay. इधर समझो है, इधर एक आदमी, इसका blood खराब हो गया बेटा, okay, इसका क्या हुआ है, liver damage हुआ, liver fail हुआ, purification नहीं चल रहा, liver kidney, kidney, very good, okay, kidneys, whenever the failure of kidneys takes place, okay, उधर क्या करते हैं, dialysis करते हैं, okay, kidney नहीं रहे तो dialysis करते हैं, okay, see है, अगर kidney का, okay, liver नहीं रहे, kidney, okay, kidney खराब हो जाता है, see है, whenever the kidneys are going to be काम करना बंद कर देता है, उसको आर्टिफिशियल डायलिसिस करते हैं, लाइक डायलिसिस आर गोइंग टू डू, उसके बॉडी के अंदर क्या रहता है बेटा, इंप्यूरिटीज ऑफ ब्लड रहता है, दैट इंप्यूरिटी ब्लड इज टेकन बाय द मशीन, ओके, जो भी मशीन रहता है वो मशीन देता है, ओके, जो भी इंप्यूरिटीज रहता है इसमें इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एज अ इंप्यूरिटी, वो इंप्यूरिटी को बाहर छोड़ता है, इधर छोड़ता है, ओके, जो भी उसका ब्लड रहता है, ओके, अगेन प्यूरिफाई करके वही आदमी को दे, ओके, दैट अगेन द ब्लड इज entering into the human body. Oh, like blood is also having some impurities. Okay, kidney क्या करता है बेटा, उसको थोड़ा डायलिसिस करके उसको क्लीन करता है. Now what happening here? See, क्या हो रहा है इधर, आदमी का किडनी काम करना बंद कर दिया. Okay, now see what happened? A machine, okay, artificial machine which is separating whatever the impurity as electrolyte will be there, वो electrolyte से ब्लड पार्टिकल को सेपरेट कर रहा है. अगेन ब्लड पार्टिकल आफ्टर प्यूरिफिकेशन क्या होता है, ब्लड इज बिकेम, ओके ना, नाउ अगेन दैट ब्लड इज गोइंग टू बी पुटेड इनटू द ह्यूमन बॉडी. दिस इज अबाउट द डायलिसिस, ओके, दिस इज व्हाट द प्यूरिफिकेशन. इन ओवरऑल कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है सर, कुछ भी ना, थ्रू द parchment paper or through the membrane, the whatever the 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer जो भी रहता है उसको हम प्यूरिफाई करते हैं. छाननी बोल के बोलते हैं बेटा, छाननी, ओके, लाइक से वी आर गोइंग टू बी डूइंग. दिस इज अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रो डायलिसिस टेक्निक, ओके. नाउ सी one more important thing there, the another method is that which is a very important, that is ultrafiltration, okay, ultrafilter, okay, ultrafilterification. Sir, what is the meaning of, we heard about the filter, what is this ultra filter, okay, see here, very simple. Legend बोले तो किसको बोलते हैं, legend, I will explain simply, okay. Legend बोल के किसको बोलते हैं, जो अच्छा काम करता है, okay. अल्ट्रा लेजेंड किसको बोलते हैं, जो बहुत ही बढ़िया काम करता है, वो लेजेंड से भी ज्यादा काम करता है, उसको अल्ट्रा लेजेंड बोलते हैं. लाइक से, okay, filtration nothing but what, this is filtering. अल्ट्रा फिल्टरिफिकेशन में बहुत अच्छा फिल्टर करता है, उसको अल्ट्रा फिल्टरिफिकेशन. नाउ सी हियर, अल्ट्रा फिल्टरिफिकेशन, अल्ट्रा फिल्ट्रेशन, अल्ट्रा फिल्ट्रेशन. नाउ सी अल्ट्रा फिल्ट्रेशन ऑफ अल्ट्रा प्यूरिफिकेशन. सर इसका मीनिंग क्या है, देखो बेटा, नॉर्मली जो भी मार्केट में मिलते हैं, ओके, व्हाटएवर यू आर गोइंग टू बी seeing in the market, okay, that market you are having water, some parchment papers, nothing but some purification papers, okay, parchment papers you are having, parchment nothing but जो भी purification करता है, okay, purifier papers are there, okay, these are having the low cost, okay, low cost रहता है, तो whatever the pores will be somewhat large, okay, pores क्या रहता है, थोड़ा large रहता है, okay, whatever the filter papers are there, these are somewhat large in case of the normal, okay. Now in this case the chances of passing colloid particles also, अगर ऐसा रहे तो बड़ा बड़ा pores रहे तो, pores in the sense छन्नी में जो भी छोटा छोटा रहता है, like say in the our purifier also we are having the big pores ज्यादा होता है, इसलिए the chances of passing the colloid particle nothing but 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer का colloid जाने का भी chance रहता है, okay, ultrafiltration. That's why the concept is introduced, ultrafiltration. So what is the meaning of ultrafiltration? Just simple. देखो, if I am using gelatin is one act as a collider. Collider क्या है बोलते हैं, मैं बोलता हूँ collider. It's a zulating. See, what is the zulating? This is a 4% of nitrocellulose and mixture of alcohol and ether. Mixture of alcohol and ether. Okay, see, जब भी आप फिल्टर पेपर लेते हो मार्केट से, उसके ऊपर क्या करते हैं बेटे, जिलेटिन लगाते हैं. जिलेटिन नथिंग बट एक काम क्या करता है सर, जो भी पोर्स बड़े बड़े थे, ओके, जो भी पोर्स बड़े बड़े थे फिल्टर के ऊपर, उसको रेड्यूस कर देता है. जिलेटिन बोले तो 4% ऑफ नाइट्रोसेलुलोज अल्कोहल एंड नाइट्रोसेलुलोज अल्कोहल एंड ईथर को क्या करते हैं, parchment पेपर के ऊपर लगा देते हैं. नथिंग बट एंड आफ्टर द पुटिंग ऑफ द जिलेटिन व्हाट हैपन, तो व्हाटएवर द पोर साइज, जो भी बड़े थे पोर साइज जिससे कोलाइडल पार्टिकल निकल रहा था, वो कमी हो जाता है. इन द सेंस वेरी सिंपल. क्या हो रहा है बेटा इधर देखो सर, नॉर्मल मार्केट में जो भी मिलता है फिल्टर पेपर, उससे कोलाइडल पार्टिकल भी बाहर जा रहा था. रीजन क्या है, रीजन इज सिंपल. द व्हाटएवर द होल्स आर देयर, दीस आर वेरी बिग, होल्स बहुत बड़े थे इसलिए जा रहे थे. अभी कौन आ गया बेटा कॉन्सेप्ट, अल्ट्रा फिल्ट्रिफिकेशन. बोले तो अल्ट्रा फिल्ट्रिफिकेशन क्या करता है, वो जो भी बड़ा बड़ा पोर्स है उसको घटा देता है. बाय व्हाट, बाय जिलेटिन और बाय कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन. जिलेटिन बोले तो क्या, 4% ऑफ नाइट्रोसेलुलोज अल्कोहल एंड ईथर हम ऊपर लगा देते हैं. उससे क्या होता है, पोर्स बिकेम वेरी साइज, पोर साइज आर बिकेम वेरी स्मॉल. ऐसा स्मॉल होने से क्या होता है बेटा, कोलाइडल पार्टिकल को हम इजीली सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अबाउट व्हाट अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कांसेप्ट ऑफ अल्ट्राफिल्ट्रेशन. दिस ऑल आर टेक्निक व्हाट वी आर स्टडीड. फर्स्ट वन, सी फर्स्ट वन इज वेरी सिंपल, dialysis, where the separation of colloidal particle from true solution using parchment paper or membrane. Okay, next one, electrodialysis. Sir, थोड़ा dialysis में क्या हो रहा था सर, थोड़ा work धीरे हो रहा था. Nothing but work little bit slow. In order to increase the speed, we are introduce electrodialysis. By what? Introducing the electrodes. And third one is ultrafiltration. In order to reduce the size of pores, we are introduce what a ultrafilter. Okay, ultrafilter बोले तो क्या है, जिलेटिन. जिलेटिन को ओवरलैप करने से सर पोर साइज छोटा हो जाते हैं. ऑटोमेटिकली कोलाइड क्या है, अंदर आ नहीं सकते. ओके, पोर साइज जब भी घटा देते आप, अगर हम ऊपर से कोलाइड साइज तो क्या करता है, इधर ही चिपक जाता है, नीचे नहीं जाता. ओके, लाइक से दिस इज कांसेप्ट अबाउट द ultrafiltration. Okay now? Okay. Now see, the one of very important concept is colligative properties. Okay, we are starting the some purification of colloids or we are completed. Now some properties of colloids. Okay, now we are studying some properties of colloids. Sir, what is the meaning of colloid properties? Nothing but बिहेवियर ऑफ ह्यूमन क्या रहता है बेटा, खाना खाता है, रेस्पिरेटरी करता है, और क्या करता है, खेलता है, पढ़ता है. सो मेनी थिंग्स आर लाइक द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द कोलाइड्स. कोलाइड का प्रॉपर्टी क्या क्या करते हैं, व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कोलाइड्स. जो भी 1 नैनोमीटर से 1000 नैनोमीटर तक उनका डायमीटर है, वो क्या क्या करने के चांसेस है सर. ओके, उनका थोड़ा प्रॉपर्टीज स्टडी करेंगे. सी ऑल ऑफ यू. Now see, properties of colloids. Properties of colloids. Sir, properties बोले तो first property is colligative properties. Colligative properties. Sir, colligative property बोले तो बहुत सिंपल है बेटा. Already you are learned in solution chapter. Okay, colligative properties are nothing but these are depend only on the number of solute present in the solution, not the nature of solute. Okay, it is nothing but number of particles or number of solute present in a solution. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, colligative properties. If suppose consider I am taking a container, इसके अंदर सोल है बेटा, सोल nothing but दिमाग में रखो, सोल नथिंग बट उसमें कोलाइडल पार्टिकल्स भी रहते हैं और ट्रू सॉल्यूशन भी रहता है. ओके, कोलाइडल पार्टिकल्स आल्सो देयर एंड ट्रू सॉल्यूशन आल्सो देयर. whatever this red, ये क्या है बेटा red का balls क्या है colloids है, whatever this green dots these are true solution. Now see, as we compare to the colloidal solution, this whole colloidal solution, the colloidal particles or the dispersed phase, whatever the dispersed phase, nothing but solute particles are less. dispersed phase में जो भी colloid particles है बेटा वो less है as compared to the true solution, as compared to the true solution. That's why osmotic pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, all these are having low value as compared to the true solution values. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं, आपको क्या समझना है बता दो सर, colligative properties nothing but this is the properties of colloid. Okay, where we are comparing with the, we are only considering the number of solute. Okay, not the nature of the solute, कितना number of solute present है. Okay, इसमें क्या है, number of solute particles less है, number of solute nothing but number of colloids are very less as compared to the what, as compared to the what we are having solvent, that is nothing but true solution. True solution से कम है. Okay, now what I can write, see here, true solution particles are greater, true particle solution greater है than what, colloidal particles, colloidal particles. Okay, colloidal particles. That's why we are the colligative properties nothing but the colloids will show very less colligative properties. Okay, that's why osmotic pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression, freezing point, these all things will show very less value as compared to the true solution. This is about the colligative properties. Okay, now this is what a colligative properties. Now the next one, the next property of the colloids are very important, that is, okay, over writing, see, Tyndall effect. Sir, what is the meaning of this Tyndall effect? Very important. See, sir, why the name is called Tyndall effect? बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत famous concept है. Before going to understand the Tyndall effect, first you should know what is the scattering of light. सर स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट बोले तो क्या, आप 8वीं कक्षा से पढ़ते आ रहे हो, फ्रॉम 8th स्टैंडर्ड यू आर कमिंग नाउ, स्टिल सो मेनी पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट इज द स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट. अरे क्या होता है इसका, अरे बहुत सिंपल है, जिंदगी में ना बोलना बेटा. स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट नथिंग बट जब भी एक पार्टिकल रहता है, जब भी कौन सा भी पार्टिकल ले लो, डस्ट का पार्टिकल ले लो, कॉलॉइड का पार्टिकल ले लो, लाइट अ पार्टिकल ऑफ लाइट, बिकॉज लाइट इज हैविंग वेव नेचर एंड what, particle nature. जब भी a light of beam it's come and this is going to be what going to be doing, it's going to be क्या करता है, this is going to be scattering in the sense जो भी the light particle रहता है that's come and bombard with what a particular particle or colloid, that is called scattering. अरे कुछ भी नहीं रहे, इसको क्या करता है, इससे आके the light particle will come and इसको पचार देता है, in the sense इसको क्या करता है, this is going to be, इसको पास होता है. ओके, come and clash, दोनों का clash हो जाता है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, scattering of light. in ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಚದುರುವಿಕೆ, in the sense the light particle will bombard with the any one of the particle. Okay, now see, sir, in Tyndall effect what happens, देखो, in order to understand the Tyndall effect, we are having one experiment. Sir, what is that? See, first take one container. बहुत interesting है, देखो बेटा. Take one container. Now it is having the colloid particles. Of course, okay, this is a zone where we are having the colloid particles. Okay, इधर पे colloid particles. Now, what do people are going to do now? Very simple. Take one source of light or light. Okay. Now what happened? This light comes and scatter this colloid particles. Okay. This is the source of light. Okay. Source of light. This is a concave mirror that I taken in order to focus on this. Now what happened? Whenever the light come and जब भी लाइट आके कोलाइड के ऊपर गिरता है, whenever the it's going to be collides, the whatever the light, whatever the beam of light comes and it is going to be hit with the colloid particle. What happen? There should be scattering takes place. Scattering in the sense here all of you scattering nothing but वो क्या होता है, colloid को मार देता है. कौन? The beam of light come and colloid को मार देता है. That time what happen? A scattering is going to be takes place. Okay, scattering is going to be takes place. Sir, एक scattering को इस हमारे को कैसे दिखाई देता है? We are having ultra microscope. Okay, we are having the one ultra microscope. Through this one, we can come. Okay, through the ultra microscope के विजन करने से हमारे को क्या दिखाई देता है? The scattering of the colloid particles. Okay, scattering of the light. Okay, इधर क्या होता है? The formation of scattering is going to be takes place. Now see, in a Tyndall effect, sir, what is the Tyndall effect? Okay, so many students are asking, so what is the Tyndall effect? कुछ भी नहीं. Okay, scattering of colloid particles, nothing but जो भी scattering होता है. Okay, light particle when it is hitting with some other small particles, that time what happens? There should be what happens? Scattering होता है again. Okay, this is only scattering now. Okay, now see, sir, where we are going to be seeing the scattering. Okay, you are seeing the whole this universe what we are having. Okay, the sky is in blue in color. Reason is what? Simple. This is a bombardment of light particles with the dust particles. Okay, जो भी दुनिया में है बेटा, दुनिया में पूरा जितना भी एटम्स मॉलिक्यूल जो भी डस्ट पार्टिकल रहते हैं, अगर लाइट उसको जाके बम्बार्डमेंट हुए तो वो कलर ब्लू दिखाई देता है ऊपर, बिकॉज द स्कैटरिंग ऑफ लाइट. स्कैटरिंग बोले तो क्या बोलते हैं उसको? दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಚದುರುವಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ದ लाइट इज गोइंग टू बी स्प्लिट हो जाता है. ओके, बाय bombarding with the colloids. This is about the Tyndall effect. Now see, sir, ये Tyndall effect होने के लिए what we require? Okay, what are the some considerations are there? Some important facts are there. Sir, कब हो सकता है? देखो बेटा, whenever the colloidal particles, okay, the size of colloidal particle and the wavelength of light. Okay, the wavelength of light must be relative. Okay, relative होना. अगर wavelength ज्यादा रहा और colloid particle बहुत छोटा रहे तो नहीं होता है scattering. That must process size of colloid must be relative with the wavelength of light. Next one, the refractive indices of colloid particle and true solution should be larger in difference. What is the meaning of this? Okay, sir, colloidal particle and true solution जो भी कंटेनर में रहता है, उनका दोनों का dispersed phase and dispersed medium should be in a larger magnitude. दोनों का difference ज़्यादा रहना. Okay, what are those? Dispersed phase and dispersed medium. Okay, whatever the colloid particles and true solution, nothing but dispersed phase and dispersed medium जो भी रहते हैं, दोनों का magnitude बोले तो the whatever the ratio nothing but those within these two one should be larger. Okay, दोनों में एक तो larger होना पड़ता है. That is became what the main importance of the scattering of light. When scattering of light takes place, only when the size of colloid particles should be relative with the wavelength of light. Second point is, whenever the colloid particles are dispersed phase and dispersed medium should be possess a larger magnitude in their difference. Okay, larger magnitude बोले तो अगर qualitative property of the colloid particle तो ज़्यादा रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो true solution तो ज़्यादा रहना चाहिए. दोनों में कोई तो एक ज़्यादा रहे तो इधर स्कैटरिंग होने का चांसेस। दिस इज अबाउट द टिंडॉल इफेक्ट। नाउ सी हियर, वन मोर थिंग इज दैट टिंडॉल कोल। ओके, सर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टिंडॉल कोल? देखो बेटा, टिंडॉल कोल बोले तो ओके, नाउ सी, while scattering of light, a scattering of light, what happened? A cone is going to be formed. A cone, like this is cone. अरे cone का इसमें ध्यान देना है। This is a cone is formed during the scattering of light. Whenever light particle is going to be, whenever the light particles is bombarded with the light particles, there a cone is going to be formed. उधर क्या होता है? एक cone formation होता है। इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Tyndall cone. That cone is called Tyndall cone. Okay. And one more important thing here in ultra microscope. Okay, so all these things, ये सभी हमारे को विजिबल में बोले तो कैसा? Through the ultra microscope. Okay, and one more important note here, whenever we are seeing with the ultra microscope, we can only see the scattering of light, but we can't see size of the colloid or motion of the colloids. Okay, size of the colloid we can't decide by the ultra microscope. Okay, size, only size we can't decide. Okay, we are suppose, of course we are saying with a movement, that is we are studying in the next property, but in this one we can't decide the size of the colloid particle, just we can see the scattering. सर scattering कैसा होता है? लाइट आता है, इधर colloid particle रहता है बेटा, लाइट पार्टिकल आके उससे क्या होता है? बम्बार्डमेंट होता है। बम्बार्डमेंट मतलब एक दूसरे को क्लैश होता है, दोनों को क्लैश होने से क्या होता है? स्प्लिट हो जाता है। लाइट क्या होता है? स्प्लिट हो जाता है। स्प्लिट होने से वजह से स्कैटरिंग होता है। ओके, एंड आई विल गिव वन बेस्ट एग्जांपल। व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग टू द थिएटर, सिनेमा हॉल को जब भी जाते बेटा, ओके, द अपर साइड को आपको एक ये दिखाई देता है, दैट इज डस्ट लाइक पार्टिकल्स। ओके, जब भी आप थिएटर पे बैठते हो, व्हेनेवर यू आर सिटिंग इन द थिएटर्स, you are seeing the dust particles, ऊपर से थोड़े डस्ट पार्टिकल दिखाई दे। सर रीजन क्या है? देखो बेटा, रीजन सिंपल है, जो भी डस्ट पार्टिकल उधर है आपके सिनेमा हॉल में जो भी डस्ट पार्टिकल है उससे लाइट क्या हो रहा है? लाइट पार्टिकल्स आर गोइंग टू बी स्कैटरिंग। लाइट पार्टिकल्स क्या हो रहे हैं? स्कैटरिंग। दैट इज कॉल्ड द टिंडॉल। इन अ सिनेमा हॉल व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू बी सीइंग, दैट dust like particle phenomena, that is also belong to Tyndall effect. Okay, this is about what a Tyndall. Tyndall effect is a property where we are going to be studying under the properties of colloids. By how? Passing the light through the colloids. Because our main motto, our main hero is that colloids. Because their concept is colloids. That's what we are studying the colloids. Okay, now the main important ultra microscope. Okay, this is ultra microscope where we can see the scattering phenomena. Okay, the person who discovered this is Chet Zsigmondy. Okay, Chet Zsigmondy, 1903 is discovered the ultra microscope. Okay, now for very famous equipment which are used in the scattering phenomena. Okay, this is very important property. Okay, now we have studied Tyndall cone also. Now the next one is the important the property of this colloidal particles are the next one, Brownian movement. Sir, what is the meaning of Brownian movement? We'll discuss each and every one. Okay, sir, Brownian बोले तो कौन था? देखो बेटा, Brownian. Okay, Tyndall effect nothing but the Tyndall is a scientist who is done these things. That is called, this is the experiment, so the name called Tyndall. Okay, Tyndall is a scientist. Now Brownian is also one of the scientists. Okay, Brownian is a scientist who made the what? Experiment on the colloid particles, and he also written some observations and results. Let's see the Brownian movement. Sir, what is the Brownian movement? Sir, Brownian movement बोले तो क्या है? Very simple. देखो all of you. Again take one container. Again add the salt. Salt in the sense what? Simple. The true solution consisting of colloids. These are all the colloids. When what the Brownian Brownian moment. Okay. So what is the Brownian moment? Nothing but whenever high ultrascope. Okay. High resolution ultrascope. Okay. High microscope. Resolution microscope, not ultrascope. Okay. Ultra जो भी standard microscope रहता है. If I am going to be using already, this is used by the Brownian. Okay. Now what is done there? He observed the colloidal particles. He observed the colloidal particles. See, he observed colloidal particles. What is come to observation is that the colloidal particles are going to be motion. They are in a zigzag motion. Is the exactly written one name, that is zigzag motion. After getting the result of this experiment, zigzag motion. Okay, colloidal particles कैसा भागते थे बेटा अंदर, ऐसा भागते थे. These are colloidal particles. These are going to be running in a zigzag motion. Okay, the random motion, the particle motions are going to be takes place. इधर से उधर, इधर से उधर, उधर से इधर हो रहा था. Okay, this is in the observations. Like that's why is given what a Brownian movement. The Brownian is going to be discovered this experiment. That's why he is called this as a Brownian movement. इधर से इधर मूव हो रहा था. There is zigzag motion. Okay, there should be zigzag motion. आपके मन में एक डाउट आता है, सर ये zigzag motion कभी ज्यादा होता है? Okay, when the zigzag motion is increases, zigzag motion increases when viscosity should be less in soil. Viscosity should be less in soil. Nothing but जो भी solution है इसके अंदर viscosity कम रहना. And colloidal particles and the colloidal particles size must be less. Okay, size must be less. Okay, sir अगर जो भी इधर तांडव कर रहे हैं, okay, तांडव नथिंग पर zigzag पे जो भी तांडव कर रहे हैं colloidal particles, ये कभी ज्यादा होता है. सर when these are became higher, देखो बेटा जब higher होता है बोले तो viscosity कम होना. Viscosity nothing but whatever having the resistance in a liquid वो कम होने का. And size of the colloids became small. अगर automatically देखो जब भी इसका साइज छोटा होता है और इधर विस्कोसिटी कम है तो ऑटोमेटिकली उधर से उधर फास्ट घूमता है. ओके, zigzag motion increases when viscosity should less but colloidal size particle also less. दोनों less रहते तो क्या होता है, ऑटोमेटिक the whatever the action, whatever the zigzag motion of the colloidal particles are became increases. This is about what are some important properties of the colloids. Okay, this is a purification of colloids. In this class what we are studying, purification of colloids. Colloids nothing but these are in between 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. Within that, in order to purify the colloids, we are studying dialysis, electrodialysis, and next one is ultrafiltration. After all this one, we are having colligative properties. Okay, properties of colloids. What are the properties shown by colligatives? Okay, colligative properties of which colloids. Okay, colloids का कौन सा property है? First one we seen towards the colligative properties. The next one is the Tyndall effect, the experiment very important, and last one is the Brownian. These all are the important concepts of this colloids. Okay, in next class we are continuing with the next again important concept.